Hi guys, today I have a really fun video for you. This is another one of my 3 looks 1 collection video. And this time around, I am putting a big twist on it too because right now the season is kind of fall-like and this collection I'm working on is a summer spring collection. So the twist is that I want to utilize those spring shades and create only Halloween looks. So it's 3 Halloween looks using 1 spring collection. And this collection I'm talking about is actually China Glaze Trolls collection, if I can hold all of them up at once. So here they are. This is a beautiful collection and they are all sent to me by China Glaze. So I didn't purchase anything myself. And I just decided it's best to show you different ways to use a spring collection because right now, if you are a seasonal wearer, you might not be thinking about this collection at all, but I want to save you some money because obviously you can utilize them in different ways. The first look I did was really bold, I think, because if you guys know me, I do not do freehand nail art. It's just not really my thing. But I've been tempted. There are so many good looks online and I decided to do a very simple kind of ghost look freehand. And the 2 colors I utilized are the 2 blues in here. So there's this kind of safe sea foam blue and it is in the color Can't Stop. Super cute color, very good formula. And then there is a shade that's more so like a topper in my opinion. This is in the color Chill In. And Chill In is definitely matte. So I put 1 coat of this over 2 coats of Can't Stop. I love that matte finish. And then I just decided to use some good old black and white polish and freehand just drew a little curve basically. And then that kind of looks like a ghost and put some eyes and mouth on it. Very cute, very simple. I enjoyed it a whole lot. And because I like how the matte shimmer looks on top of this blue, I decided to mattify everything. So the next look is a little bit more time consuming, but I super enjoy how that turned out. I utilized, again, 2 polishes from this collection. So I used the hollow topper, which is in the color Glitter-iffic. Actually, I shouldn't say topper because you can definitely get this opaque on its own after 2 coats. This is a beautiful shade. It's definitely on the thicker side. Granted, it has a lot of glitters in there, so it's a little bit, it should be a little thicker. And then we have Delta Darlin, which is a kind of lighter beigey peachy color. Both of them are great. Delta Darlin doesn't have the best formula. If you wear it on its own, I would suggest maybe 3 coats because it's a little streaky. But because I had plans to put some nail art on top of it, I just went with 2 coats of those 2 colors alternating on different nails. And then I did some reverse stamping, also using those 2 colors to fill in. And the plate I picked is from Born Pretty. It's just called Halloween L005. Super simple, but I love how that just looked so cute because a lot of times I feel Halloween nails could be vampy, scary, sexy, you know, all that. So I really appreciate that those 2 colors together with a look just came out so cartoony, cute, kid-like, you know. I really enjoyed that and I thought the 2 colors, especially the hollow, just looked so glamorous and I love that look. The very last look is super simple and this is probably what I had planned first because obviously we have a green and a purple, even though they are a little lighter, a little bit more spring-like, but when you put a green and a purple together, that's just Halloween, like obviously, right? So I decided to do a gradient with those two colors. So the purple is called Funky Beat and the green is called It's All Techno. No, It's All Techno. So I did a gradient with those two shades and I just decided to stamp some just simple image on top of it. I used the same plate, which is again the Born Pretty Halloween L005 plate. And then I just picked up 3 different kind of images to stamp over on those nails. So I just thought that was really cute and I liked that a lot. And especially, again, it actually played out really well that the green and purple are lighter, and that made it again a little bit more cuter, a little bit more like almost childlike, cartoon-like, and it's just like super fun. So I thought those 3 manis all turned out super cute and super fun. And I was super inspired to kind of just challenge myself a little bit to do Halloween manis using a spring collection. And I hope that will inspire you guys a little bit because, you know, I definitely constantly want to curb my shopping habits. Don't just go out there buy all the time. You can definitely use what you already have to create what's like seasonal fitting basically. So I hope this have given you some good ideas. And of course, everything is time-stamped. I have my tutorial videos post on my Instagram usually. And if you want to go check them out like one at a time, it's a little easier there. I will have my accounts linked down below. Also, the only polish I brought into those looks is black and white basically. But the stamping polish I used is from Maniology. This is in the color Straight Up Black. Super easy to use. You can use the code JOY10 to get 10% off of your purchase on maniology.com. It's affiliate link. I do earn a small percentage if you use it. But that's about it. Super simple. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a couple more of those kind of similar videos. I will have them linked down below. They're in a playlist for your easy reference. And let me know if you recreate any of those looks. I would love to see them. And if you enjoyed this video, of course, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.